Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my latest videos. The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, there was an ugly duckling. He was different from all the other ducks, and they made fun of him. The ugly duckling was very sad, and he didn't know where he belonged. One day, the ugly duckling was swimming in the lake when he saw a flock of beautiful swans. He was afraid to go near them, but they swam over to him and welcomed him into their flock. The ugly duckling was so happy to finally be accepted. He realized that he wasn't ugly at all, he was just different. He was a beautiful swan. The ugly duckling grew up to be a strong and handsome swan. He was loved by all the other animals in the forest, and he lived a long and happy life. Moral of the story: it's okay to be different. In fact, it's what makes you special.